My name is Gergely Hunyadi and I am a research engineer at Envirosense Hungary Ltd. Envirosense Hungary Ltd, formed in 2009, is a Hungarian spin-off company. The small but very committed team have more than 15 years of experience in remote sensing. With an educational and research background, Envirosense deals with aerial hyperspectral, LiDAR, digital orthophoto and Earth observation-based applications. Moreover, the company has the capacities to carry out ground-based validation, which is necessary for area remote sensing. Envirosense Hungary is developing innovative products, novel procedures that are more cost-effective, less time-consuming, and contribute to the preparation against the negative effects of climate change. Next to completing several successful international remote sensing campaigns, the company develops web-based solutions for several fields of applications, such as agriculture, forestry, nature conservation, urban planning, and the insurance business.